that it's not virgin hair, but I forget the reason why they wanted me to do a burn test. Hey YouTubers, your girl came back on another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys saw by title, I'm going to be giving you guys an update about this wig that Hairvivi sent me. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning supporter, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, you know, help me grow. But let's just get right into the video. So I have decided, and I hate that I've decided this, because as you guys can see, the wave pattern of this hair naturally is very curly. It has a very pretty curl to it, but once you wear it, it kind of frizzes out. I showed examples in my my one month update. I'm gonna link that down below, so you guys can definitely check that out. But I just don't like the way the hair wears. So in this video, I'm going to be cutting it. I really don't want to cut it, but I feel as though I have no choice because it doesn't hold a curl. So I figured a long bob wearing it straight would be sufficient. So I'm probably going to cut from, I really don't want to cut this. Like, this hair it's beautiful. The color is amazing. I love the way that it looks, the way that it falls, but I just don't like the fact that I couldn't get it to hold a curl even after roller setting the hair. If I have a clip of I believe I filmed it, of me having it roller set, and it's sat here in my vlog room with all my other wigs that are curled, including this one that's been curled and it's been sitting here for months, and you guys can still see that this hair has a curl to it. Like, the front fell, which always does, but the back still has a curl. I didn't even get that with that wig. So someone requested that I do a strand test, not something that I normally do on my channel. I don't know if it's something I'm going to continue to do. So this is like fallen or shed hair from my natural hair, and I'm going to do a burn test because they're like, well, you know, natural hair burns differently than like processed or hair that's not hair. And they said take 3 strands of hair, so I'm going to do that from 3 different portions of the wig. But I'm going to burn. So you see how, let's let that focus, if it can focus. I don't know if it can focus. But that's how, smells funky. That's how natural hair burns. I don't know if I have anything in my hair that made it burn like that, because I don't know if you guys saw at the beginning it didn't burn like that. So we are going to take 3 strands of hair is what they suggested. Now, before I get into, and again, not trying to bash anyone, this is just a requested video. This wig has amazing parting space. I feel like this parting space is like 7 inches. Like, it has really, really deep parting in the center. So let me go ahead and get some strands so that we can do this burn test. This pains me more than you guys know, because I do not like to lose hair out of a wig, which is why my wigs don't sit properly, because I really don't even cut the air tabs off. So that's the 2nd place, and then we're gonna get to the 3rd place, which is on this side. Alright, so we have a few strands of hair here, and let us see how well this burns. Now, I'm not doubting that it's hair. I'm doubting that it's not virgin hair, but I forget the reason why they wanted me to do a burn test. Smells the same. Smells the same. Maybe it doesn't burn the same. I don't know. Let me try burning my hair again and doing the comparison. And again, I don't know if I'm supposed to do a strand or, but you guys can see how it burned. Where's that little piece of hair over here? Let's burn it on the opposite end. I think they burn the same. You guys can comment down below, let me know what you think, but that's as far as I'm gonna go with that burn test. I am going to, I guess pan the camera would be the right word, to show you guys how I cut this, and I'm gonna straighten it out. I am gonna speed through that portion, and then I'll come back to you guys obviously with this wig down on my head with this straightened. Did I loan some of my flat iron? I think I still have it here, but I'm gonna straighten it out after I've cut it. I low-key, actually, I'm not gonna put it on a mannequin head. I'm gonna cut it on my head directly. And I'll tell you the reason why. Your girl gets a little scissor happy, okay? When I tell you, I feel as though Hairvivi got it right. With the exception, like my only gripe. And it's major enough. My only gripe with this wig is that it does not hold a curl. Everything else I feel as though they've achieved and even rectified in my eyes, because you guys know, like, I always went in on them with the density of their wigs, and they fixed it with this. And I also purchased the wig anonymously, because you guys know I have a PO box, and I also have my physical address, and I don't buy anything under my name. So, you know, I purchased it anonymously and I got what they sent me. So I'm like, yes, you know, it's not like, hey, you know, another hair company is telling me that I'm gonna get this wig. Sorry, getting my comb. I'm gonna get this wig, and then when I get it, it's not the wig that I'm expecting. No, I got exactly what I was expecting. The density was the same. I mean, I'm having a great experience with it. However, I am not a fan of the fact that it's not holding a curl. So I'm gonna cut it so I can wear it in long bob. I have another wig that I recently did that with, and I absolutely love it. And if I can wear it straight, I think I will be perfect. So I'm going to cut it to the shortest piece. Oh, the other thing I didn't like too is that they put all the density in the back, not in the front. It wasn't spread out evenly. It doesn't look bad, but yeah, the major thing is really the hair not holding a curl. So we're just gonna do that. So I took off probably about 3 inches. And I don't mind that it's a blunt cut. I actually got so many compliments on this wig when I did wear it. I did say I was going to speed through this, but I don't want to say I lied, but changed my mind because I'm not doing like a major cut like I thought I was going to do a major cut. I mean, you guys saw what I did. I just held all the hair in the front and just snipped. And if you guys have come to my channel, I'm objective. I'd still recommend it. It's just not holding a curl because I'm not having a bad experience with it per se. I'm just gonna wear it straight. I think I got it. But look at this. I don't want to say like it obviously it got fuller because I cut it, but they have definitely, look at this hair. Oh, I would love if it could stay like this and not get frizzy in its natural state, because look at these waves. This hair, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. Like I'm really hoping I can wear this the way I want to wear it now that I've cut it. That's my hopes. So this is the finished look. I like it. I love the way it turned out. It straightened out pretty well. I just really wish, and I know I keep like beating a dead horse, but I really wish that it held a curl a little bit better. I think the length is perfect for the color. Like I don't have that, I don't know, it kind of, the hair just kind of fell really weird. It's probably because I cut it. I don't think it was like that in the front. I can't remember. I'm going to link my videos down below of my initial impressions, my 1 week and my 1 month update. But I like it at this length. I definitely, maybe I'll try to curl it again. I'm not sure if it maybe doesn't have the extra length on it, if it'll hold a curl a little bit better. Who knows? I'm not done trying with this hair because I do absolutely love the color. The hair does also feel extremely soft. So definitely gonna try again to see if it will hold a curl. Maybe I'll update you guys in one of my vlogs, but I can't foresee myself doing another dedicated video for updates on this wig unless it is requested. But that is all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys are supporting me on Instagram. The link is in the description. It's Kimslifevlog. But that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.